welcome to the second video I've ever made for a cosplay. Hopefully this can be kind of like a tutorial to hopefully help my fellow cosplayers out there. But I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I didn't expect it to look this good. So I thought I could get away with using this wig. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but when I put it on, I really look like either one, an anime character or the Party City version of Harley Quinn, and I was not going for that. I spent 4 hours working on this, tried it on, and then was just absolutely devastated. So I was watching one of Laura Gilbert's videos, and she said that she got this wig off of AliExpress, so it's like a much better quality wig. As you can see, it like moves like human hair. So credit to her for pointing this one out. So first I washed and dried the wig, and now I'm just kind of freestyling it here with these bangs. I bought special hair cutting scissors, so you can see I'm using those here, and then just straightening the bangs and kind of styling them as I go to make sure they look okay. For the regrowth in her hair, I decided to use a root touch-up dye because I wasn't going to need that much, so I'm just applying it, letting it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinsing it out. Once I dried the wig again, it looked really crazy like this, and so I'm just trying to tame it and clip it back to get it ready to put in the pigtails. So last but not least, I had to dye the ends of the pigtails. I saw another cosplayer do this, and so what I did was take some acrylic paint, mix it with water, put it in a spray bottle, and then brush it through, and I was able to just blow dry it, and I was ready to go. Like this. So I'll put this on and everything, but that's how we need it. So anyways, I'm gonna put the contacts in now, and then we'll get to the makeup section, put the wig on. Oh, I forgot the tattoos. So I was trying to save a couple dollars, and I bought this tattoo paper from Silhouette, I think is the brand, and it was only $9 for 2 sheets. And so what I did was I basically photoshopped all of her different tattoos and then, you know, mirrored them because I had to print it out. And I got these. So I'm going to be putting those on as well, and I'm going to be using Laura Gilbert's method for putting the tattoos on to make them more natural looking with some Prozade that I have left over from my Jack Sparrow costume. There's just that like medical grade adhesive, so they last a little bit longer, and then, you know, putting the translucent powder over them to make it look a little bit more blended in with my skin. First layer of Prozade here. And then I cut out all my tattoos, so this is... I really hope this looks... Okay, I'm gonna peel it off and hope that it doesn't take any of the ink with it. Alright, it is very sticky. Oh god. I'm worried. Oh my god, I feel like it's coming off! Okay, it's happening! Pretty good. Adding in an extra layer of Prozade and then finishing off with some translucent powder to make sure it's not sticking to me. Wow, it feels good. Cool. Time for contacts and then makeup. Start with making myself paler than I already am. This Maybelline Fit Me one in color Fair Porcelain. For her eye makeup, I'm just doing a silver-based, a smoky eye look. It's not too dramatic. Nothing too special to report here. Trying to get as pale as possible here. I'm using just way too much of this matte white baking powder all over my face and then down on my chest as well. Using the same tattoo method as before, I'm applying Prozade to the areas I want the tattoos. one more layer of Pro Say to really lock it in there, and then just translucent powder to finish everything off. Okay, wig time. So I cut out the lace front. Second wig cap. And back we go. Surprise, surprise, I'm using more Pro Say to glue down the lace front of my wig just before the end of my wig cap there. This intense hairspray. And yeah, let's take a look at the back. Looks pretty good. So let me know if you have any questions about stuff that I did in this video that maybe I didn't cover. And anyways, yeah, I'm just really excited with how it turned out. Thanks for watching my video.